Everybody's heading to the northwest. They're going to a place called Boggabri. There'll be caravans all parked out at the showground, and the town will be buzzing here tonight. Country music will be on the menu, and there'll be bands and local artists every day. And the Lions Club and friends will be here waiting to welcome you and help in any way. So come along and join us for the weekend. Everyone can have a special time. So bring along your old deck chair and esky to the Drover's Campfire out at Boggabri. The volunteers are busy in the kitchen, and old Mad Dog is cooking up a stew, and the skits night is on again tomorrow, and it's time for us to light the barbecue. Well, the Flip Man is setting up the speakers, while Jeff and the boys are baling hay. The shearers are all busy with the shearing, and there's old-time machinery on display. So come along and join us for the weekend. Everyone can have a special time. So bring along your old deck chair and esky to the Drover's Campfire